What's up guys, Nico Builds here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I connected my Iron Man armor. And yes, I can sit in it guys, so let's get it. Oh, I don't have the fitting gauntlet on, so we're going to do a pew 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 pew. Okay guys, so I got out of suit because it looks a little bit of comfortable, and that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And I'm going to be showing y'all how I connected every single thing. Some stuff broke, like this shoulder piece, just from the bicep right here. It just came off. But that's what we're talking about. And just a quick couple tips I have to give to y'all is that make sure everything fits well. Make sure you have foam. Make sure you have the elastics. Make sure you have everything that you need to make it as good as possible. Make sure it's comfortable before you start painting it, start priming, before you start sanding it. I know my shoes and my shins are sanded, but they're 100% proofed, and I'm not gonna paint them until I get the full suit done. So just take accountability of that. There's chapters down below in the description, or check the chapters or the descriptions if you want a specific part. I'm gonna go feet to head guys in this video. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so the way I'm thinking of doing this is going feet to head, and first we're gonna start with the shoes. As you see, I just got the mold and I cut the bottom off in the slicer, and I just have these two parts right here. And I just went to Walmart and got this shoe. What I want to do is I want to push it in more, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it in more, as you see here, try to get as flat as I can, and then put some nylon and put some elastic to really hold it in. And then afterwards, what I'm thinking I might do is put a felt tape in the middle on these sides, or the inwards of the shins, so it can make a little bit less noise. And then since the shins and the feet are gonna be right there, or right on here, and they're gonna be moving and stuff, I might put some vinyl cover, or not vinyl cover, like paint protection over these parts right here, so they can protect the paint. Let me get this real quick. As you see, we got the shin, and there's nothing special of it right here. It just goes down right here, as you see. It just goes right down here, and then that's where I'm probably gonna put the felt tape, just like right here, make it a little bit more smoother, make it a little bit more easier. Okay, now let's talk about the shin, guys. There is 3 parts to the shin, knee, Achilles, thingamabob parts. Okay. So there's 3 things there. I got the knee part, the Achilles, and then the shin. As you see, there's some Velcro right here, and this is for the knee. And right here, if I need to like attach it on or off, or if I need to travel with it, it just gives me a little bit more room, so it's not sticking up right here. I can just have it off and on and take it off. One thing that I was really considering with the build is making it easily accessible to repair and move. That's one of the things. For this back part right here, for the Achilles, as you see, I got 2 magnets in here, and I can just put this, and I just put these in. I put these in before, and they just snap, and then snap in place over here. Align them, and I can just put my foot right through here, and then it'll just work out. Yeah, I might fall a little bit, but once it's on the shoe, it actually works really well. So hold up, where's the shoe? Where's the shoe? See right here, and then once I place it down, it'll just come right here in the back, and it'll straighten out. As you see right here, it looks really good, really easy, and it's just simple, guys, right here. And I can just take my leg off and on, and moves around. Everything I've seen where people do flaps for these or something. This is just the way I'm doing it, and it looks really well, guys. Let's get to the thighs. Okay, so real quick, I don't have anything actually attaching these yet, because I was gonna try to do something else, but I think I just might do just the regular like thighs to the like harness or something like that. But just wearing these are really good. These are really big. These are really big. But one thing that I didn't notice, that is, and from watching like other Iron Man cosplayers, especially Frankly Build and stuff, or CTC Creations, where this middle part actually doesn't always really go well. So what I might do is I might trim the insides of the parts, and if you're a boy, you know, but I'm just doing it in just like a little bit more leg room and stuff, so I might just trim this whole entire back part right here. But besides that, it's really good. It moves really good. It needs that. So what I probably will do is, again, with the shins, in the insides of the shins, I'll probably put some elastic right here and put those magnets. Put these magnets right here, which you can find on Amazon. I'll just attach that to elastic or nylon, put it up here, so then I can move it, and that'll just be all good and well. So let's get to the butt piece real quick. So as you see, for the butt piece, the cod piece, however you want to say it, I got this in a couple of different ways. I got two ways I'm connecting this. At the bottom right here, I got this buckle right here so it can clip off and on. And this is the part where I clip on first, and then so I can add these magnets in. And as you see, I just got magnets in right here, and then over here too, and then boom, 2 pieces just like that. Now, what I'm also gonna do is I've seen some people say this front piece of the cod piece breaks off and stuff, and you kind of don't want that, especially if you're in public or something. So I'll probably put some elastic right here, and then this, I know there's like a little bit of an overbite here or something right here, but that's fine because no one's really looking there anyways, and if it is, it's whatever. So that's how I'm doing this, and the way I think I might do this is the abs, and I'll show you on a second. The abs I have are at like 90%. I think this is at 100%. So there's a big difference, and there's a small gap between the abs and stuff. So what I might do is I'll probably do maybe some Velcro or magnets to where it makes it a little bit more seamless when I put the abs on to this. When I probably get bigger and older, then I'll probably upgrade the abs and then put it here as well. The back part right here, I might put it into the lower back or something like that, or the abs, so they can also stay up as well, because it kind of keeps falling down because I have nothing to attach them to. Or I might just put the thighs, and then that'll just bring it up. Put your thoughts in the comments below. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get to the abs and we're gonna get to the torso part. Let's get to the torso part. Okay, guys, so we're doing a little camera angle change so I can show y'all the full part of the chest. So as you see, I got the back plate. I got the back piece right here. I got some elastic here with the Velcro. Oh, I just need to put that in a little better right here. And then this helps. This helps, and it's very small and conciliative to where it actually puts the chest on, and it gives a little bit of wiggle room. As you see here, and I have enough room for the electronics and stuff in here. I've not put those in. I'm still working on that. I got this part right here, this elastic, so it doesn't fall down, and I have better control of the back piece, and then the suit when it's all done, I have a little bit better control. I'm thinking of putting another one right here, like maybe 2, maybe. But this is fine for now. Then what I got here, very simple for this lower back piece. As you see, I just got a small buckle right here with some elastic or nylon, and I just have it right here against the back piece right here connected. I got the sides right here with the Velcro, and then the other side here with the Velcro that will go into the abs, and that's how the back is, and I'll show you in a second. So for the abs, if y'all remember a couple episodes ago, I think, where I actually printed this first one. This first one like fits right against the abs. It's the same exact scale. Nope, it's not the same exact scale. I got a different abs that are the same exact scale, but this one was too small, so I had to make a new one that was bigger right here. And these don't really match up the same as y'all see. So I might need to do some workarounds or do something to, let's see if I put it right here. I know I have black on black on black. So as y'all see right here, it gives it a little bit of some like lines right here, as y'all see. So I might just like maybe put some magnets or something, or even when I wear my morph suit, hopefully it will blend in a little bit better, as y'all see. But the abs to the back, as y'all see, I got these Velcro parts right here with the green tape. These will just connect right into the cardboard Velcro, and right here for the abs to the chest, I got these parts right here, and then these parts is just like a male female of these magnets right here, and it connects to the abs to the chest. Now I did this just because I was kind of hard to put the abs to the chest a little bit, so these just help a little bit more. And because just having it the way I had it, the Velcro, or when I try to melt it in, it didn't really work as well. So when I put these in, I just put it in a two-way magnet system, so I can put it off and on, and it gives it a little bit better of a hold from either way. So then I can just put the parts on right here, put the magnets, align these parts right here, align this one right here, and then it holds right there. Oh, you see it holds right there seamlessly, easily right there, and I can just put it on right there towards the back. Very simple, very easy. Now for the chest. Just like I said, I was running a little bit last night and just trying to test it out, see what I need to fix. Got the inwards of the thighs, but also right here. As you see from this other part, from the back, I had the elastic, but I also had magnets here. And these magnets were kind of on my collarbone. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to get this foam right here or something, maybe cut it in half a little bit, and just put some foam like right at the top or right at the top of the straps when the back goes in, because it's trying to hurt, because it was hurting after a good bit, just the magnet sitting there. So I'll probably just put some foam there. As you see, I just got the elastic here, and then I just got another elastic coming behind the Velcro right here, and then these will go, and these go to the shoulder system. Now I couldn't find another big magnet to like forever later right before I went to sleep. I found the rest of these big buckles. So I suggest these big buckles a little bit more. But on this other side, I just got a magnet piece right here, and it just locks right in place. And it does the exact same job too. As you see, it just lays it in place right here. Yep, right there. And then that's the magnet part right there. And then the other one right here, it just has the buckle piece right here, which is all simple and easy as well. So you can do whatever one. You can do the buckle or you can do the magnet. I didn't mean to do that, but it both works really good, and it just holds it right here, as y'all see. Which actually works really well. Now I need to fix the bicep on the left arm to the shoulder. As you see, there's no like second buckle or magnets. Okay, guys. So now we're getting into the arms. So as you see, I got the bicep right here. Let me put that on and let me twist it. That's the way I have to do it. But as you see, there's a little bit of a strap right here, and it's a little stretchy because it's an elastic. I got two parts right here. The other one I had like the same exact buckle one. It didn't really work, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do another elastic like this and just put a buckle and make a magnet. Not buckle. I'm gonna put a magnet. So then I can just hold it up, or the person that is helping is gonna do that. As you see, and it makes it one thing so it doesn't slide down, and it just keeps it all the way up. And this part is with the chest, so this part will hold it up a bit, which is actually really good, and it's really sturdy as well. The forms, let's get to forms real quick. There's two different forms. If you're wanting to do the Infinity Stone version, you're gonna have to print off the Infinity Stone form. If you want to do the regular form, you can definitely do the regular form. But as you see in here, I got two magnets, one right here, one on the I'm gonna have to fix that later, but one on the other side as well. And as you see, I just got two magnets right here. And then as you see right here, guys, it just holds it right here. Holds it so it doesn't fly off or go off or anything. So while I'm waving it and stuff, really good right here. And then the hands right here, they're just free floating. The way I want to do the Arduino and stuff, I can just put it and it can just go to the back in here. It can just go in the arm, the Arduino, the battery pack that I want to put in here. It can just go in the arm, and I have a lot of wiggle room to actually do that. So that's going to be good. So I got the full arm right here, guys. Now let's... Oh, I forgot one piece for the torso. I'm just eating everything today. Okay, guys. Last but not least, I got the helmet. As you see, I got the helmet right here. I got the face mask. But I also got the Crashworks Arduino motherboard over here. And no, this thing is not fully tied in, because as you see, it is just coming apart to an extent. I need to take this part off. Okay, now I can show you a little bit more of the insides without messing everything up. So this is a two-part piece. This jaw head part is like basically two pieces to put on and off. Okay. So I'm actually motorizing it, guys, and I'm still trying to finish it up with some lights and whatnot. So no, I'm not going to be showing the full helmet and how it actually motorized because I'm still working on it. But basically the premise, I got a limiter switch right here. I got a power and I got a ground. And then they're just going to these magnets right here. As you see in the back of this helmet part right here, it's connected to the motherboard right here. These limiter, these blue ones are for the switch. And then they just hold up to the magnet. I'm just gonna be careful with this. Hold up. And then these parts, these magnets right here, they just go to the jaw. They go to the jaw and then they activate it with the wire right here, and it gives a little bit an electrical pulse. Also, then you got the motors right here that go up and down. I'm just trying to finalize it. Once I finalize the full helmet, then I will show y'all how to do it, make the video on it and everything. So let's get it. Okay, guys, so as you see, I got the parts on right here and whatnot. That's actually really good right here. If you're gonna like test it out, just make sure you get like a really thin shirt that doesn't start clipping everything, mess up a bit. But it's really good, really awesome. The really most important tip I have to give y'all is make sure you make it good. Make sure you fix everything that you need to fix, like the shoulder piece over here. Like, see, as you see here, right here, the shoulder piece, it came off. The part came off. So just like doing magnets, doing buckles, however you're doing it, make sure it's good before you actually start sanding and painting. I know, as you saw the shins and the shoes, they were sanded. I know, but they have nothing there, and I already completed those parts. I'm not painting them yet. I'm just doing those parts just to save me some time at the end. So those are just sanded. But like things like this, things like the arms, the legs, especially the arms, and the chest part right here. This is the part where you really want to do it, because this is the part where it's like, ooh, everybody's not gonna be looking at the legs, but mainly this top part is gonna be where it is. You don't want to have something fall off or come apart right here. It's really good, really awesome, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like or share to somebody that might need their help, guys. I'm just trying to show y'all everything. I'm not trying to give y'all baby steps, but I'm just showing y'all, hey, how am I doing it? If y'all have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And these magnets right here, one thing, these magnets right here, these first class magnets are actually really good. I've been using them across the whole suit, as y'all saw, guys. So I'm just going to keep working on it, guys. And then check out my Instagram where I'm posting updates and stuff, guys. So hopefully in the fifth one, I can have some stuff, more stuff sanded, and some electronics done, guys. So hopefully enjoy, guys. Stay tuned. See you guys next time. Let's get it.